Hi, I'm Anna in Transit, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to use the ACT MyCommute app, especially as an Assist customer. So, before we begin, the Assist program is our America's Disability Act program that is signed off by a doctor after an application in order for someone to access the on demand pickup, drop off, curb to curb service that we offer throughout Los Alamos and White Rock. So if you are not a member of that, this may not be as relevant to you. However, you can still watch. I will be making another video later about how to use it as a non-assist user. So let's start at the beginning here. You've downloaded the app ACT MyCommute from your app or Google Play Store. You can do this simply by searching ACT MyCommute. From there, you are going to open the app and log in with your credentials. The only thing that you need are a name and a phone number. So you'll see I'm already logged in here, and it pulls up a main screen with my location in blue, kind of just showing you where I am. The first things that you're going to see, I'm going to pause here. The first things that you'll see are this little person icon in the upper left hand, a notification on the right, and a calendar on the right. You then see me and my location in blue. You see a where to Anna, at home, work, Smiths, those are favorites. And then you see this new thing underneath it called nearby transit. And what that is a ability for you to just jump on our fixed route if you are just opening up our app and you don't know where to go. So for most of our Assist customers, they are used to booking their own trips or calling in for that. So they may not use this particular feature as much, but this is a new feature. It kind of combines what the MyStop app used to do in showing where your bus is in proximity to where you are. So we are closest to the downtown one. Closest bus stop is the co-op. I could walk to the co-op and jump on the one in, it looks like 9 minutes in order to get anywhere along that line. Now, if I'm an Assist customer, that's not exactly relevant to me. I'm going to be wanting to do a curb to curb pickup. But what is relevant is this zoom out showing how far you can get on this app with adjoined public transit partners. We don't service all of those trips as you see here today, but we do service everything within Los Alamos. So what we want to do first is to go back and to say, where do we want to go for the day? So where to Anna? What I'm going to do is on the right side of where to Anna, there's a little clock. I'm going to click that clock. I'm going to tap that icon. That's going to open up, choose a time. If I want to leave at a certain time, today, tomorrow, for our Assist customers, you can book out up to 2 weeks in advance. So I've selected my day and time. The blue circle is asking me where I want to be picked up, and the red stop is where I want to be dropped off. We then confirm the location to make sure my fingers didn't accidentally press something they weren't supposed to. And this is where some people could get tripped up. Right here, this long line above choose a ride, there's a small line. That always means there's more information for you to see. So you're going to drag and pull that up so you can see every option. This is showing me the ACT Assist option is available at that time that I am asking. On the bottom, I can change that time if I want to. I can change the number of riders if I want to. If I have a personal care assistant, I can do that. This is a free service. So once I have all those details, I'm going to select ACT Assist. I'm going to then confirm all of my detailed trips. I can see that ACT Assist is what I am signing up for, and that I will be picked up at Smith's and dropped off at RPM. I'm going to schedule my ride, and now I'm scheduled. But now I want to see, how could I get back if my car isn't ready in time? Okay. Once that's confirmed, there is a book return button. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that, and I'm going to figure out, well, they close at 5. Let's just say if my car isn't ready, 5 o'clock is when I need to leave. Okay. I'm going to confirm that I'm leaving RPM to go back to Smith's. Okay. And I'm looking through these options. I do see an Assist option, and I also see this new option of transit with a red line on it. I eventually will pick the Assist option because it is what my membership is for. But that trip underneath shows a bus with a red 1. So what that shows me is I can take the fixed route if I want to. Notice that the button changes to take transit. And notice that now the red 1 shows up. I have to walk to the 1 and then walk to Smith's. Save trip plan is then at the bottom to show you that this is a different service from Assist. I have booked my trip plan for taking the normal transit routes all around town. Okay. Since that's not something I really wanted to do, I just wanted to show you how that worked. I'm going to go back and just take a look at my trips and review. Everything looks right. So I went back here into my calendar. I looked up my scheduled trips. That Tuesday outgoing trip looks right. But this other one, oh no, I accidentally booked the fixed route. And I can tell that because it does not say assist on here. Okay, so then I decide maybe I don't need that one. I can go in there and cancel it. So I'm going back into that trip and I'm canceling that trip. And I'm saying why. My plans have changed. So I'm going to confirm that cancellation. One thing I do want to bring note to is that we do have a no-show and very late cancellation policy. Please give within 1 hour of notice, more than 1 hour. If it's less than an hour of notice when you cancel your trip, then that is something that we will cause a rider at fault. Okay. So that is an explanation of how you use this app if you are an Assist customer. And I will be posting one for the general public shortly. Thank you for listening.